History of Computers, Part 4. In 2017, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, is developing a new molecular informatics program that uses molecules as computers. Chemistry offers a rich set of properties that we may be able to harness for rapid, scalable information storage and processing. Anne Fisher, program manager in DARPA's Defense Sciences Office, said in a statement, "Millions of molecules exist, and each molecule has a unique three-dimensional atomic structure, as well as variables such as shape, size, or even color. This richness provides a vast design space for exploring novel and multi-value ways to encode and process data beyond the 0s and 1s of current logic-based digital architectures." 2019. A team at Google became the first to demonstrate quantum supremacy, creating a quantum computer that could feasibly outperform the most powerful classical computer, albeit for a very specific problem with no practical real-world application. They described the computer, dubbed Sycamore, in a paper that same year in the journal Nature. Achieving Quantum Advantage, in which a quantum computer solves a problem with real-world applications faster than the most powerful classical computer, is still a ways off. 2022. The first exascale supercomputer and the world's fastest frontier went online at the Oak Ridge Leadership Computing Facility, OLCF, in Tennessee. Built by Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, HPE, at the cost of $600 million, Frontier uses nearly 10,000 AMD EPYC 7453 64-core CPUs alongside nearly 40,000 AMD Radeon Instinct MI 250X GPUs. This machine ushered in the era of exascale computing, which refers to systems that can reach more than 1 exaflop of power, used to measure the performance of a system. Only one machine, Frontier, is currently capable of reaching such levels of performance. It is currently being used as a tool to aid scientific discovery. The end